Farm Designs, and this is Alex, and this is our Make It Merry Block of the Month program. And they're going to be running this as a 6-month block of the month, and it's chunked up really nicely for you. None of the pieces are super small. You have all your directions and pressing arrows, everything you need in there. And then every month you're going to make, months 1 through 5, you're going to make 8 blocks. And you won't be making more than 2 different blocks. So you can chain them. And then month 6, you'll make the ribbon end blocks and put your whole quilt together. And by then, you'll have all of your units made, all of your blocks, supposed to. So it's a really chunked up, doable block of the month. The colors are perfect. It's a great size to throw on the back of your couch or hang up, or even throw on your bed if you put like a neutral coverlet under it. And then you're not invested in sewing a great big quilt for your bed that you're only going to put out for a month.
All right, and tell me about you.
Okay, Alex and I are partners. Alex is an artist and I'm a quilter. We design our own fabric through Marcus, and we really love designing quilt patterns. And we want to design quilt patterns that are really good for the confident beginner. We only have one pattern that we sell that is for an intermediate quilter. The rest of them are all confident beginner. So if you label when you cut out, that's the key to sewing our patterns. Cut down on your frustration. Your pressing arrows are in there so that everything nests nicely, and you can really, work through your pattern step by step. Graphics or words, depending on what you want, is in there.
Nice.
We're from the Pacific Northwest, so we both live. I'm in Oregon, Alex is in Washington. We traveled to Chicago to do this show, and we're just super excited to be here and meet everybody. And
this is a really fun quilt, and I love your patterns.
Thank you.
So I have shown her patterns in my shop, and they're in the store right now. So it is Lamb Farm Designs. I have to just double check, make sure it's right. But yeah, she's got some super cute patterns, and they're in our shop. But this is our block of the month that we are going to start. It's a 6-month program, and I'll give you details about it. Here's a close-up of the pattern. This is called Make It Merry. It is written as a block of the month. The pattern has it so you can accomplish 2 different blocks for over a period of 6 months. I'm going to give it to you all at once, so you will get it in the breakdown as though you were going to get it monthly, but I'm going to give you the whole pattern all at once so you can do what you want when you want. You have the ability to try to get it done by this holiday season or slow it down and just work at it at your own pace, but it's going to come all at once. I'm treating it like my own mystery quilts that I do. The only difference is you know what the pattern is before you start and while you're working on it, but you're getting everything all up front. Now, one thing I want to point out is you are not going to get the fabric that is shown here. You are going to get similar colors, and it will be very similar in style, but also a very different collection. We're going to scrap it up a little bit, but you will have the same colors and the same overall look. It's going to be really pretty. Know that this is 59 by 59. It comes with a bonus wall hanging pattern, which is 18 by 18. So you can turn your scraps into a wall hanging. It does take 10 yards of fabric for the top. And you have really good written instructions in here with pressing instructions and good pictures. And so you will be able to make this with a lot of help. You'll be able to get this done. There's a lot of help in the book. You also have the ability to purchase separately the backing fabric, which is only 4 yards of fabric, but that will be listed separately, and so you can choose if you want to add that or if you want to use your own or something that you have, or get it at a later point. So the backing fabric will be sold separately. So for the pattern that's broken down and the fabric for the top, which includes your binding, it's $140. It is sold at softsquares.com under specialty boxes, and this is the Make It Merry block of the month, but you're getting it all at once. So it is shipping all together. While supplies last, it is a limited number that I'm doing. We are not making videos for these, but as I work on my own, I'll be sharing my progress with you on my my stitch-uation videos, but the designer for this has got really, really good instructions, and we'll just all work on this together. I think this will be really fun. It is so pretty, and like I said, you're going to have the same overall look with the colors, and you have the ability to switch it up a little bit with the backing by choosing to use your own backing or get the additional backing kit, but that will be listed on the listing so you can know you can get that. Again, it ships in July. You're going to pay for it all at once, and if you have any questions, just reach out to me and let me know. But I'm super excited about this. I hope you guys are too.